I've got a couple of ideas for you to solve some workshop problems. Now, here is a sandpaper cleaning stick, if you want, a crepe stick, and it's been around for a while. You can probably see that it's dirty all over there, not just on the end that you're using, but it's a mess. One way to stop that from happening is to take some plastic food wrap when you've got a new stick and wrap it up. Just leave a little bit of the end showing here, and that's the only part that's going to get really dirty. It takes quite a long time to wear it back to here, and then you just have to peel off another inch or so and you can use it again. If you've got a mat like this in your workshop and it slides around when you stand on it, there's an easy fix for that. Mind you, you wouldn't want to use this fix anywhere else in the house. A basement floor is okay though. I think that part of the reason that these become very slippery on a smooth basement floor is that they get dirt underneath of them. And the dirt just lets it scoot all over the place. So what I've done, turn the mat upside down. And I've taken some spray adhesive. This is Elmer's spray adhesive. There's a lot of different brands. And just take and spray it on the back of the mat a little bit. Now after you've done that, take some sand and sprinkle it on the mat. It doesn't take very much. You can sprinkle it all over. That's beach sand. I suppose it might work better if you went out and bought some nice clean sand. But this was just beach sand. And then sweep it off with a soft bristle brush. Like so. And give it a few minutes to maybe dry a little, although it's not really necessary. Turn upside down, which is right side up now. And that's not going anywhere. It really works great. I've done this before, and it's quite efficient at stopping things from moving around.